All right, guys, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review on my sweet electric wine opener. I just kind of have the stuff right here out of the box. So you get the actual wine opener itself. So one of the coolest features that I like about it is I actually used to have something like a different brand aside from this one. And it used batteries and it used to drive me crazy. This one, Type-C charging capabilities, and they give you the charger to actually charge it on now. So the way it actually works is it's like if I have a wine bottle here, you would just push this one right here. You see, lights up really nice, and it'll hook onto the cork. And then once it has the cork on there, you push this top one, and that one will actually release it. So it's like one of the most convenient ways to open a wine bottle. So that's very cool. But you also get this foil cutter right here, because you know sometimes like it's like hard to be like peeling off the foil and things like that, so it makes it super easy with that. It comes with a wine stopper, so as you can see, mine has been open and I just kind of like put the cork back in. It's not a good way. This is the way you'll keep the wine fresher, right? And then last but not least, they also give you how to pour the wine, so I thought that was actually pretty neat. Check it out. And literally, you would just take this part off like this, and now it has like a little spout to pour. So it literally has everything that you need to get ongoing. So again, not only does it look cool, it doesn't make a whole lot of noise either. Very cool. See, it starts spinning. So let me see if it'll work just as a demo right here. Yep, and it will. It literally, see that? It literally starts to take it up. And then once you push the release button, as I'm doing now, it'll literally release it again. So that's one of, like I said, it makes it super cool. So if you're looking for an awesome wine opener, I highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.